how to be a part of an online live stream worship. Most of you might be thinking that what is so special to talk about it? In a live stream worship, as we do not need to go out, no need to dress up, no need to take bath, and not even to look at the clock. We may think that I'm all free, casual, and informal. There is nothing wrong with that. Wikipedia defines worship as the act of attributing reverent honor and homage to God. Thankfulness, reverence, and honor are the most important element of worship to establish a relationship with God. What are the signs of our reverence and thankfulness to God? In the book of Matthew chapter 25 verse from 1 to 13, we read about 10 virgins. Jesus is quoting this parable to talk about readiness for the kingdom of heaven. In the parable, finally we see 5 virgins, those who were not prepared for the bridegroom, were not qualified to get selected. But those virgins who were ready with watchfulness and vigilance has been qualified to be with the bridegroom. Every one of those virgins were well aware about the importance of establishing the relationship with the bridegroom, but they were not good enough about their readiness. We are all well aware about the importance of our relationship with the God, but our readiness for God is as important as knowing about the need of our connection with God. So how about our readiness? Are we good enough to please God in our connection with God? Being so much casual, easy and busy when the time of worship is definitely not a sign of readiness. Telling ourselves it's okay to be casual and easy gradually will lead to be a pure hypocrite. Readiness occurs when we take effort to get ready for the worship service by number 1, watchful about the timing of worship. Number 2, dress up like you are going to the regular Sunday worship service. Number 3, find a suitable place of worship. Number 4, if you are using phone, place the phone in a correct position and take your hand off from the phone for the entire time of worship. I know whatever I was said is just about preparing physical atmosphere of worship. But of course, preparing physical atmosphere carries the major role in maintaining concentration and focus. Bible says, love your Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. My dear people, let's not give God the least from our life, but the best. Best of our time, best of our skill, and best of our treasure. Consider every Sunday worship time as a special time of dedication and submission. Because God is not our choice. We are God's choice. So be the best for God. God bless you.